answer. If every time Akanksha and Aman or some of these students are going to answer, unwell. Okay, Amla said it. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you,
Good.
ma'am.
Next. Inverted commas. What we have told you. What we have told you, comma. Inverted comma closes. They said, comma. Inverted comma opens. Again, is absolutely true. Is absolutely true. Full stop. Inverted comma opens. I'm giving you all time. Come on.
Miss, please repeat once.
Okay, you want me to repeat? Sure, I will do it. What we have told you. This is coming in your inverted comma. Comma, they said, comma. Again, one more inverted comma comes. Is absolutely true. And let me tell you, children, this much time you will not have in the exam. So you have to buck up.
They said that what they had
1 minute,
told-
again, 1 minute. Again, Amla is trying. Okay, my dear child, you tell me, I will take it. Come
Okay,
on.
ma'am. They said that what they had told him was absolutely true.
Okay, can anybody correct her answer? Because she has attempted it, but there is some mistake in hers. She has attempted it. I am not telling. I to appreciate her for attempting, even though she has made a mistake. Never mind, she will not make in the exam. Who is going to correct her? Otherwise, I have to call you all. Alina. Alina,
Ma'am,
are you there? Yes. Your friend has given me the answer. I hope that you are present.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want you to tell me what you're going to do it. Because she has made some minute error in her. Come on.
They said that
You tell me.
what they told,
Okay.
wo- they said that what they told is absolutely true.
You're again making mistakes. Children, be careful in direct, indirect. Your tenses has to be proper. Present tense changes to past tense. Present continuous changes to past continuous. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Past tense changes to past perfect. Past perfect does not change. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous tense. Tenses you are not doing properly. You must see first person, third person, and all that. Who is going to do it for me now? Come on. She has also made some mistakes. Anyway, she has helped me. Harshal. Harshal. Harshal, 1 minute, last minute, I'm going to call you. Harshal, are you there or not? Madhuri ma'am, Harshal is not answering me. I don't know whether he is there or not. See, he disappeared. Fine. Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi. Okay. Can you rectify this? Or can you help me? What we have told you, they said is absolutely true. Yes, Janvi, right or wrong, you have to attempt. The children also did the same thing. But they made a mistake. What happened, Janvi?
They said that what
Come on. You don't have to get scared. Think it is an exam where you're going to write it. That's all.
they said that
Come
what
on.
we have
Hmm.
told was absolutely true.
What? After what did you say, my dear child? Can you
What
please
we
repeat?
have told was absolutely true.
Again, grammatical mistake. Aman, can you do it? Aman,
Yes, miss.
Aman, can you do this? Try to
Hello,
कर.
miss.
हाँ, तो है क्या नहीं? हाँ. What we have told you, they said is absolutely true.
Miss, what they said was absolutely true.
Okay, so many of you are giving me different. Okay, what we have told you, how we are going to change this part of the phrase of the sentence. What we have told you, how we are going to change it. We becomes what?
They
We become they. Okay, that's correct. Have. It is
Have.
in which tense?
present perfect.
So what are you going to do it?
Past
Past
perfect.
perfect. So had.
Had told.
Okay. What we have told you. You is the second person.
Him or her.
What they have told, my dear, what we have told you. So what will become? What they have told us. That's a mistake you are making. Is becomes was. So instead of telling, they said, because it is a question mark, what WH question has come? You should have told. They declared that. They declared. That is a better way. They declared that what they had told us was absolutely true. Okay, next time don't make that mistake. Now, how we are going to do this? Get out of the bus. You naughty boy, get out of the bus. You naughty boy, put it in the inverted commas. Okay. Shouted the conductor. Shouted the conductor. Alok Singh is going to give me the answer. Alok Singh, are you there? Alok Singh. Now, my backup, Madhuri ma'am, are you there, please? Madhuri ma'am.
हाँ मैम बोलिए।
कई बच्चे का नाम बुलाने से वो लोग आंसर भी नहीं है का नहीं वो भी पता नहीं। अभी आलोक सिंह को मैंने बुलाया, आलोक सिंह जवाब नहीं देता। आलोक सिंह है अभी उधर
आलोक,
घर में हाँ
माइक
अभी
अनम्यूट
आप
कर तो मैं तुझे रिमूव कर दूंगी लेक्चर से। मैडम जिसका जिसका नाम लेती ना माइक अनम्यूट करके आंसर दो तो मैं सीधा रिमूव कर दूंगी। कोई जरूरत नहीं लेक्चर
अभी
नहीं करने का।
अभी वही करने का। अभी हम लोग क्या करो, देखो आलोक सिंह का वीडियो ऑफ है, दोनों म्यूटेड है।
तुम लोग पहले अपना वीडियो ऑन करो सब लोग। मुझे मैडम के लेक्चर, इंग्लिश के मैडम के लेक्चर में हर किसी का वीडियो ऑन चाहिए। वीडियो ऑन करो सब लोग।
एक तो वीडियो नहीं तो ऑडियो, कुछ तो ऑन होना चाहिए। नो प्रॉब्लम, एक तो वीडियो नहीं तो ऑडियो। आलोक देखो, इसका मतलब आलोक घर में नहीं है, उसका नाइदर ये और नाइदर वो। अभी वो तो चला गया। अभी क्या बोलो, अंजलि बोल से है क्या नहीं तुम लोग लेक्चर में?
Yes, miss.
Okay, can you give me that answer? Get out of the bus, you naughty boy, shouted the conductor.
Ma'am, I have joined the lecture now only.
Why you were late? Why
Means
you were late?
electricity was gone now, so Wi-Fi was not working. So now electricity had come, so I have joined now.
You don't have mobile data?
No, miss.
Okay. So be careful, you're in the 12th standard. Now,
Yes, miss.
the
Sorry, miss.
children
Next
who
time it will
don't-
not
No,
happen.
no, it's okay. The children who don't want to attend my lecture can kindly leave. I have no problem. But this is the way you all are creating, you all are giving bad name to sir and to others. And that, yes, very good, one has left. I'm happy. But the students who are really wanted to learn, don't kindly disturb them. That's a humble request. I hope that many of you will be able to do it. Thank you for your compliments. Thank you for your compliments. Inverted comma, said he. Thank you for the compliment, comma, said he. Who is going to answer? Kushi? Kushi,
Yes,
pizza
ma'am.
55. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, try it. बेटा ट्राई तो करना पड़ेगा. Thank you for your compliment, said he. Who can answer it? Akhil M. Nayak, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Okay, very good child. At least you answered that much. Can you give me the indirect speech, how to change it? Thank you for your compliment. Inverted comma is done. Said he. Try तो करना पड़ेगा बेटा.
हाँ मैम करता हूँ.
Every minute is going on. Time waste is happening. Come on. Thank you for your compliment, said he. All are coming from English medium, no? Is there anybody from vernacular medium? है कहीं का इधर? बेटा आ गए. सबका SSC 10th has come from English medium only, no? या कोई
Yes,
हिंदी
miss.
medium और then why are you not able to do this?
Miss, he
surprised.
appreciated his compliment.
मैंने appreciated कहाँ आया बेटा? Thank you for your compliments को तुम लोग appreciated कैसे डालेंगे?
He thanked them for his compliment.
He thank you for your compliment. You, मैं किसी को point out कर रही हूँ.
He thanked
Thank
me
you
for
for my compliment. Correct. He thanked me for my compliment. Here, the persons are changing. First person, second person. This is the most important where you all are not seeing. He thanked me for my compliment. Remember, pronouns of the third person never changes. So y'all are not seeing it, y'all are simply blindly y'all are telling. That is very wrong. Okay. My friend said to me, inverted commas, you are a fool. क्या करेंगे? My friend said to me, you are a fool. तो आप लोग सुन के बैठेंगे? Come on.
My friend told me that I was a fool.
Very good. Absolutely correct. So, direct, indirect, many of you might have found out easy, I think. So, I don't think next is what you all wanted. Tell me fast. What is that you all wanted it? Come on.
Miss voices.
You want a voice. Okay. Fine. Active and passive voice. My God, how many years you all are doing this? Still you all are finding it difficult means. I don't know why you all are doing that difficult. Okay. Now. She cooked the food before noon. She cooked the food before noon. Change the voice. Come on, who's going to tell me? She cooked the food before noon. Now let me tell you one thing. When you are doing active and passive voice, now you are already gone to high standards. There need not be by only coming. Without by, active and passive voice can be changed. So come on, how you are going to do?
Miss, what was the question? Please repeat.
अभी मेरे से वापस रिपीट करो बोलता. They cooked the food before noon. They cooked the food before noon. What is the,
Miss-
how will you go?
The food was cooked by them before noon.
Wait a minute. See, here you all are the one you all are making the mistake. One is the food was cooked before noon by them, or one way you all are telling the food was cooked by them before noon. दो वे का तरीका है. Now I don't know which English is correct. The food was cooked. Remember when? When was the food cooked?
Before
Tell
noon.
me.
At
Before noon. Then who cooked the food? By them.
By them.
So you all have to be careful when you are doing this. Now, Tom gave me a pen. How are you going to change? Tom gave me a pen.
A pen was given to me by Tom.
Okay, right. Now see this, how we are going to change it. This is with a model auxiliary. Okay. You can make statues out of clay. You can make statues out of clay. Now can has become, so naturally it is a model auxiliary, we have to change it. You can make statues out of clay. You can make statues of clay.
Statues
We
could be
have points,
made
yes.
by you out of clay.
आराम से बोल बच्चे. You all are going down there. Tell me slowly. What did you all are telling? Statues?
Statues could be made out of clay by
Could be made. Okay. Now just see. Already I told you all 2 persons cannot come. Could be made. So could be persons auxiliary. So how you are going to do it? What is an passive voice? We cannot make it could, please. You can make statues out of clay. This is an active voice. Passive voice कैसे करेंगे? Come on. Nobody wants to do it. Priyanka? अर्धा जन है इसमें. Priyanka, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you tell me. You can make statues out of clay. ये कैसा करेंगे?
Statues could made by him out of clay.
बेटा एक मिनट, could क्यों चेंज करना चाहिए? मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी के साथ तुम लोग खाली be you have to put it. So statues can be made out of clay. make को ही हमको चेंज करने का. Can be made out of clay. Whenever model auxiliary comes, and उसके साथ whenever we take be, the next verb is in the present tense. Now, for example, you must not hear. Come on, write down. I don't know how you all are going to do this. You must not hear sad songs when you are depressed. तो कैसा passive voice में डालेंगे? You must not hear sad songs when you are depressed. तो passive voice में डालो. Come on. How we are going to do it? Come on, children. Parth, can you try it? Parth. सीखने का क्या नहीं सीखने का? You can leave. I got no problem. Parth, are you there or not? So you all come over here to do time pass.
Miss.
Then where are you, Parth? When I called you, सो के आया क्या बाहर से? हाँ? Parth, give me the answer. You must not hear sad songs when you are depressed. 3 बार बोला. Now Parth, change the voice. Parth, are you able to do it? नहीं है. Rahul Nair. Rahul Nair,
Hello.
are you there?
Hello.
Yes. हाँ.
Sad songs should not be heard by you when you are depressed.
Sad song. क्यों तुम
Should-
शुड डालने का मस्ती रहने दो ना. Sad
Okay, sad song must not be heard.
be heard when you are
Depressed.
depressed. Very good. You have done it. I agreed with you. Now, how you are going to make with certain changes like this?
Let the work be done.
Let the work be done. Okay. Next, what do you want me to go for? First, degree of comparison, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jupiter is the largest of all planets. Write down. Jupiter is the largest of all planets. Jupiter is the largest of all planets. Can you tell me what degree it is? Jupiter is the
Superlative.
largest. It is
Superlative.
comparative. Superlative.
Superlative degree.
Superlative degree. Agreed. So what degree we have to go? Either to comparative or to the positive.
Yes.
So who will give me the positive or the comparative? I have no problem. Jupiter is the largest of all planets. Come on.
Jupiter is a large planet, positive.
Jupiter is a large planet. ये कौन सा इंग्लिश है? Jupiter is the largest of all planets. सारा planet के ऊपर Jupiter is a large बोला है. अब तुमने क्या बोला? Jupiter is large planet. इसका मतलब बाकी planet कुछ भी नहीं. Come on, Jupiter is the largest of all planets.
There is no other
No
planet
other planet is
larger
as
than
large
Jupiter.
as Jupiter.
Okay, so no other planet is as large as Jupiter. What is the positive? Jupiter. No other planet is as large as Jupiter. इसका मतलब क्या है? Jupiter is सबसे largest है. ये positive हो गया. How will you do the comparative?
Jupiter is larger than any other planet.
Larger than
Any other
any
planet.
other planet. अभी आ रहा है, इतना टाइम सोने के बाद ही तुम लोग लिख रहे. I don't know why y'all are doing that way. It is very wrong. Change the degree, y'all should be knowing at the tip of your fingers. Okay. A diamond is one of the most precious of all stones. Diamond is one of the most precious of all stones. Now, one of the most, ये कौन सा डिग्री में आ गया?
Superlative.
Superlative. Then what we have to do? They have not asked. तो change करो, एक तो positive, या to comparative. अगर नहीं दिया, it is your choice. दिया तो sorry. If they say comparative, तुमको comparative में करना पड़ेगा. If they say positive, positive. नहीं बोला तो you can do both. Leave it. जो right है वो लेंगे. Now come on. इसको कैसा comparative में डालेंगे?
Very few stones is as
मैंने comparative बोला बच्चों. हाँ, comparative बोला. Diamond is
precious than any other stone.
हाँ, बेटा
Diamond is
मैंने
more precious than any other stone.
diamond is more precious than many other stones, not any other. Than, I'm repeating. क्या बोलेंगे? If it is in the comparative, then diamond is more precious than many other stones. But if it is positive, very few stones are as precious as diamond. Very few stones are as precious as a diamond. Still many might have not understood. Okay, I'm doing it once again. Now, he was the most trusting person I had ever met. He was the most trusting person I had ever met.
He was,
Positive में कैसे? He was the most trusting person I had ever met. So this is already in the superlative. तुमको किस में डालने का है? Positive और comparative.
he was more trusting than many other persons I have met.
He was more
More.
trusting होएगा तो वो comparative में गया ना? Trusting, more trusting, most trusting. ये तीनों ही आता है. Then बोलो. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. So how we all are going to do it?
मिस
Fast,
इसको कंपैरेटिव में चेंज करना है पॉजिटिव में.
comparative and positive. इतना याद रखो. Comparative and positive मैंने बोला. बच्चे जल्दी करो. Come on. It is not tough. क्या हो गया? सबका भी बंद हो गया.
मिस he
हाँ?
was he was more important. He was more.
बेटा तुम लोग बीटिंग द बुश कर रहे हैं, मत करना प्लीज, हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट। चलो बोलो क्या लिखा तुम लोग? हाँ
He was more trusting than any other person.
yes right, he was more trusting than any other person I have. He was more trusting than any other person I had ever met. उसने कंपैरेटिव में डाल दिया, पॉजिटिव विल बी व्हाट? No other person I had ever met was as trusting as he was. Once again, I'll repeat. No other person I had ever met was as trusting as he was. Done? Any other? Where you all are not able to get it? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which other part you all want to do it? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Come
no
on.
sooner and not only but also.
Okay. Not only, but also. No sooner than and not only, but also. Okay. Which is the one you all don't know? You all tell me and I have to tell you like this only. Because there are nothing for that. Come on. What you all are not able to do it? Come on fast. Which you all don't know? You all only give me it. Then I will
No
tell
sooner.
you. Huh?
No sooner.
Okay, no sooner and as soon as and everything. Oh my God. Okay. Just a minute, I have to see what book where examples are there. It is so simple, yaar. Why you all are not able to do that? Okay, not only but also. It is so simple. I don't know why you all are not able to do that. Fine. Voices were simple. Tenses were simple. Modern auxiliaries were simple. Okay, no sooner than. Okay. Now, when two actions एक के बाद आता है, we use what? No sooner than. अभी देखो, what is the rule? No sooner. Now, what is the auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verbs are the helping verbs. I don't think science students के लिए मुझे इतना बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. We have done deeply in 10th standard. Plus subject plus the main word. Now, if an auxiliary verb, auxiliary verbs are what? Is, was, is, are, was, were आएगा. If it is in the present tense, हमको वही use करना पड़ेगा. Now, when he was presented with the trophy, जब भी उसके हाथ में was presented with the trophy, when he was presented with the trophy, he started crying. That means वह खुशी का आंसू. Now I had to put no sooner than. No sooner was he presented with the trophy. The moment the trophy was given to him, he started crying. That is how you put no sooner. No sooner के लिए as soon as आएगा. Now, as soon as they had eaten, they went out for a stroll. मतलब क्या होता है? तुरंत खाना खाने के बाद they went for walking. Stroll means what? Walking. How will you put no sooner? No sooner had they eaten, no sooner than they went out for a stroll. Now, suppose auxiliary word नहीं है, तुम्हारा अभी हम लोग ऑफलाइन में नहीं जा रहे, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? We are doing it in online. समझा? So same thing. The helping verb की जगह पर क्या आएंगे? Does, do, does and did. So as soon as the sun rose, they left for the journey. Rose is in what tense, my dear children?
Past.
Past tense. इतना याद रख. Did is such kind of verb. It will not give any other verb को past tense में देगा नहीं. So no sooner, हमको helping verb नहीं है. Had to put either does, do or did. So the main verb rose became in past tense. तो मुझे did ही डालना पड़ेगा. So no sooner did the sun rise. तुमको रोज नहीं डाल सकता है. So no sooner did the sun rise than they left for the journey. समझ गया? I don't know how many of you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now not only but also. ये नहीं तो वो नहीं. Not only is used. जब भी हम two things are mentioned, but also हम लोग add होता है in the place. And not only but also, and जब भी as well as भी आ सकता है. अभी देखो, very simple I'll tell you. He ate an apple. उसने apple भी खाया and drank a glass of milk. So how will you change it? He not only ate an apple, उसने apple सिर्फ नहीं खाया, but also उसके बाद उसने एक ग्लास दूध भी पिया. Did you understand? Did you all understand what I am explaining to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
He ate an apple. मतलब उसने एप्पल खाया and drank a glass of milk. उसके बाद उसने दूध पिया. So when you have to put not only but also, मैंने क्या बोला? When two things are coming, वो बीच में आएगा. So he not only he ate नहीं आएगा. He उसने सिर्फ एप्पल ही नहीं खाया, but उसने दूध भी पिया. The sentence is that way. Now इधर देखो. Radha and Sita are intelligent. दो जन अलग है. When I take the previous one, that was only the one person who is doing the both action. He can be any person. उसने एप्पल सिर्फ नहीं खाया और उसने ही दूध पिया, right? Whereas इधर हम देखते हैं Radha and Sita are intelligent. Radha अलग है and Sita is also अलग है. दोनों intelligent है. Then where I will put not only Radha but also Sita is intelligent. सिर्फ राधा ही नहीं है, सीता भी intelligent है. There I cannot put not only before, because the same person is doing both the actions. If the same thing is doing both the work, you have to put not only but also after the subject. इधर क्या हो गया? Radha and Sita are intelligent. Radha is one person, Sita is one person. दोनों intelligent है. दोनों भी intelligent है. When I say दोनों, तो दोनों बीच में आएगा, not only पहला आएगा. Not only Radha, but also Sita भी intelligent. Did you all understand? You all asking me now, teacher, when I should put not only but also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now again I'm repeating. She rinsed the popcorn bowl. She rinsed, मतलब उसने fry किया popcorn bowl and took meat out of the freezer. Popcorn भी बनाया and meat भी निकाला. That is एक ही जन दो काम करता है. So that time not only but also will come in the middle. So she not only rinsed the popcorn bowl, but उसने but also took meat out of the freezer. याद रख, when one person is doing both the things, तभी तुमको not only but also will come in the middle. But when I am combining two persons, एक काम के लिए दो जन अलग है, but दोनों जन वही काम कर रहा है, then I'll put not only पहला. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
अभी क्या है? If plus not तो unless आएगा. If you water the plant, they will not die. पानी डालेगा तो plants will not die. So, unless you water the plant, they will die. अगर तुम पानी नहीं डाया, the plants will die. See the meaning how it is. If you water the plants, अगर तुम पानी डालता है, तो plants तो मरेगा नहीं. Unless, जब तक तुम पानी नहीं डालेंगे, the plants will, अगर तुम पानी नहीं डालेंगे, the plants will die. Unless means what? If plus or not, उधर already negative आ गया. If is equal to, now, if plus not, unless आएगा. अगर खाली if आया, then unless plus not. ये याद करके लिख के रखो. If plus not is equal to unless. Write down, children. If plus not is equal to unless. So in the sentence, तुमको if भी आया, not भी आया, you will use unless. अगर sentence में खाली if आया, then you have to put unless plus not. Unless plus not. If you read, you will learn. तो उसको कैसा डालेंगे? Unless you read, you will not learn. जब तक तुम read नहीं कर सकता है, तुम पढ़ाई नहीं होंगे. So if is equal to unless plus not. Sentence में खाली if आया, so what you have to put? Unless plus not. Did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So doubt is cleared.
Yes.
Okay. Affirmative and negative, I have already given to you all, to everybody. Okay. He refused the order. Either refused को आएगा. You can say he refused. Remember that is in the past tense. So he did not accept the order. उधर did not आएगा. This all I have given in the notes. Next, I am doubtful of the outcome. I am doubt. Affirmative में क्या? I am not sure. Now, she was not allowed. Affirmative में क्या आएगा? She was not allowed. What is the affirmative?
She was denied.
Denied? मैं deny नहीं क्यों करूं? मैं तुमको allow ही नहीं किया. She was not allowed.
She was dismissed.
अरे मैं तुमको हटाया क्या? अंदर आने के बाद ही मैं तुमको हटाना चाहिए ना. She was not allowed. She was forbidden.
Yes, miss.
Anybody cannot do it?